Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aim Fahna binti Mubanasi. My metric number is 8182758. I will present about introductions. Business mathematics is the mathematics used by commercial enterprise to record and manage business operations. First objective is to study business mathematics to understand basic math skills in business and finance. It involves the calculations of salary to make a salary report, identify the amount that needs to be made a loan, and the interest rate. Company background. Our company name is Fabulous Collections. The located is Victoria Gardens, Jalan Ali, 8700 at Sabah. The owner is Aini, Fatin, Dini, Aimi, Hafiza and Fariha. The date of establishment is 4 January 2022. The type of our business is partnership.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurdini binti Kamaruzaman. My metric number is 8182819. Today I want to present about payroll report. If we see, this is the payroll report of Business Fabulous Collection. We have 10 staff from various positions, which are general manager, marketing, production, sales, payroll and administration. So in this payroll report, there is calculation of how get regular pay, overtime pay, commission, piecework earnings and the total of gross pay. This is the formula used in calculating all the payment types specified as in the box below. This is example of calculation how we calculate for employee number 6, Nur Amira binti Rosli under sales department. So Nur Amira binti Rosli earned 552 ringgit from working regular hours for 46 hours in a week, and 192 ringgit from working double rate overtime, and her hourly rate is 12 ringgit per 8 hours. Next, for her commission payment from making 2,500 sales with a 10% rate is 250 ringgit. She made no piecework earnings since she is not the production department. Thus, she received total 250 ringgit of commission payment. Lastly, her total gross pay for the week are 994 ringgit.
Question 2. The amount we own is 55,000. We borrow from relative is 10,000 and we borrow from bank BDE is 25,000. The total amount is 90,000. For interest amount, from relative is 375 and from bank BDE is 4,736.11. The total interest amount is 5,111.11. For the future value, from relative is 10,375 and from bank BDE is 29,736.11. The total future value is 40,111.11. If you want to know how to get the interest amount and future value, you can see the calculation next to the table and under the table. Promissory note. The owner, Nofati Nazira, was borrowed from her relative, Alia, 10,000 at 4 June 2022 and her promise to pay within 60 days and receive with interest rate of 2.5% at 25 August 2022.
Hi, I am Nofati Nazira binti Ridwan. My matrix number is 8218288. So let's continue this presentation with the question 3. In question 3, we need to identify the machinery used in our company. As you can see in the table, there are 6 products in our company. First of all, there are PC set, peeling retail, cloth rack, Panasonic ceiling fan, floor crane, battery rack, and aircon. The cost is also based on the real market. We continue to question 3B1. The declining balance method is to recording larger to smaller depreciation expenses of useful life of the product. We have choose PC set. First of all, we need to find annual rate of depreciation R. We're using formula R equal to 1 minus n square root to salvage value divided by cost. Then we will find 0.32 for R PC set. Then we can find the annual depreciation by using DT equal to R multiplied to book value 1 year before. As example, for year 1, the R is 0.32 and multiply by the book value from 0 year, which is 3,500 ringgit Malaysia. We will get 1,120 ringgit Malaysia. Then we need to find the accumulated depreciation using formula DA equal to cost multiply with 1 minus r, the answer need to be power of number of year, and the cost need to minus with the answer. As example, in year 1, 3,500 minus with 3,500 multiply with 1 minus 0.32 to the power of 1. Then you will get 1,120 ringgit Malaysia. Finally, we can search the book value by using formula book value equal to cost multiply with 1 minus r to the power of number of years. As example, 1 year, 3,500 multiply with 1 minus 0.32 to the power of 1. You will get 2,380 ringgit Malaysia. Then, for question 3b2, we need to using sum of your digit methods. First of all, we need to identify the sum of your s using formula s equal to n multiply with n plus 1 divided by 2. The n is the useful life giving, which is 5. For our case, we will get 15 years. Then, we need to search total depreciation TD by cost minus salvage value 3,500 minus 500 will get 3,000 ringgit Malaysia. Then, we need to find the right for each year using n useful life minus the years plus 1 and divided it with sum of your s. As example, in year 1, we'll get 1 over 3 for the r. Then we can identify annual depreciation by using r multiplied to the TD. Like in year 1, 1 over 3 multiplied to 3,000, which is will get 1,000 ringgit Malaysia. Then the depreciation to date can identify by the annual depreciation by the year plus before the year, such as in year 2, which is will get the 1,000 from the year before plus with the year 2 annual depreciation 800, which will get 1,800 ringgit Malaysia. Lastly, we will find the book value by using cost minus ACCTD. As example, in year 1, that 3,500 minus with 5 over 15 as it shows the fraction of the years of the product, and then we multiply the answer with 3,000. Then we will get 2,500 ringgit Malaysia.
I'm Hafiza binti Fisal. My metric number A21A2488 will continue the presentation. Question 3C, which is our company received an invoice for machineries cost date on 23 March 2022 from supplier A with terms 710, 515 and 30. If the invoice is paid on 30 March 2022, the formula is cash discount equal rate of the discount times invoice amount equals 7% discount times 3,500 substitute to the decimal point, which is 0.07 times 3,500 equal 245 ringgit. The payment method is invoice amount minus cash discount. 3,500 minus 245 ringgit equal to 3,255 ringgit. So, supplier A need to receive payment from our company is 3,255 ringgit and get 7 discount because it is 7 days, not more 10 days from the date of 30 March 2022. Next, if the invoice is paid on 5th April 2022, the method was same from the previous answer, which are cash discount equal rate of the discount times invoice amount. 5% discount times 3,500 substitute to the decimal point, which is 0.05 times RM 3,500 equal to 175 ringgit. The payment method, which is invoice amount minus cash discount, RM 3,500 minus RM 175 ringgit equal to 3,325 ringgit. Supplier A need to receive company from our company is 3,325 ringgit and get 5% discount because it is 13 days, not more than 15 days from the date of invoice 5th April 2022.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Rani Binti Selang. So I will continue the presentation for the question 4A. So we need to calculate the monthly payment. So the instruction is our company had a bank loan costing RM25,000 cash purchase and the balance is to be settled by making 12 monthly payment at 6% compounded monthly. So we know that the loan RM25,000, M is 12, T is 1 year, N is 12, I is 0.005. So we need to use the formula A equal P bracket I divide 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power by minus N. So we know that the P is 25,000, bracket I is 0.005 divide to 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.005 bracket power by minus N is 12. So the answer is 2,151.66 cents. So we know that the monthly payment we need to pay is Rm 2,151.66 cent. That's all. Thank you.
Question 4b, construct the amortization schedule. This is the value that we get in this table with unit measure units. Formula for this answer, we use formula like beginning balance equal to ending balance period before. Formula for ending balance equal to beginnings balance minus principal paid. For example, Rn 25,000 minus Rn 20,026.66 cent, and this answer Rn 22,973.54 cents. For monthly payment, A equal to P bracket I divided by 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket minus N bracket, and this answer is Rn 2,151.66 cents. Total paid start with period 2 equal to monthly payment plus total paid before. For example, Rn 2,151.66 cents, and this answer Rn 4,303.32 cents. Principal paid equal to monthly payment minus interest paid. For example, Rn 2,151.66 cents minus Rn 125. So for this answer, Rn 2,026.66 cents. Total principal paid equal to principal paid period 2 plus total principal paid period 1. For example, Rn 2,036.80 cents plus Rn 2,026.66 cents. The answer is Rn 4,063.46 cents. Interest paid. Beginning balance times into interest rate divided by T. For example, Rn 25,000 multiplication bracket 0.005 bracket, and the answer Rn 125. And last, for total interest paid equal to interest paid period 2 plus total paid period 1. For example, Rm 114.86 cents plus Rm 125, and this answer is Rm 239.80 cents.
In conclusion, we gained knowledge on how to manage the company's accounts. We use what we learned in the lecture to complete this project by applying what we learned. Thus, all mathematical business formulas can be applied in the future life to facilitate a progressive business journey. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.